Hey everyone, welcome back to Spartan V for all your hair system needs. And today we're going to be doing a review of Justin with his hair system. So he's had it on for a week now. Just before we go any further, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. So Justin, how's your last week been with the hair system?
You know what, Sam? Really good. Really enjoyed wearing it. Loads of compliments all round. Got to do a bit of training with it on.
Okay.
It held up really well. Yeah.
Yeah, all happy then. Do you come across any sort of issues or things you feel like you could learn a bit better?
Well, I took it off to reapply it, and I just didn't have the knowledge. It was very hard. I was sat there getting really frustrated with the tape. The tape was sticking up the scissors.
Yeah.
But it's just a learning curve.
Yeah.
Which is why I'm back here today.
Yeah, no, awesome. So yeah, like you said there, it can be a bit tricky when you're putting tape on a hair system. So we've got a full lace one, and trying to get those angles right can be tricky. So, you know, again, it'll be another video I have out and the best way of doing that. But otherwise, with this refitting, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to be attaching the hair system. I'm also going to be cutting a little bit more off, and I'm going to be thinning the hair out. So I'll give you an idea of how you can do this. So yeah, let's jump on. Okay, and there you go. So as I've done there, I've thinned out the hair a lot more just to take out some of that real thick volume in the hair. So it's just a bit more tame, so you can play with it a bit more, but you know, you still can have that style there. I've trimmed the back on there just to make it a lot neater. And then Justin, obviously, as you've gone with your style, like all to the side, messy sort of style. So yeah, you're happy with just like those slight modifications that we've done?
Oh yeah, 100%. Like, it's just so much more controllable now, because it's just like the volume. Because like with the systems, the hair goes up and then it goes across.
Yeah.
But you can't quite train it the same way you have natural hair, where you could make it all do that and the follicles would bend.
Yeah.
So you kind of had to find a way of taming it, and this has really done the job, like really well.
Oh, cool. So yeah, you know, like I say, because he has got that sort of younger looking face, he can get away with, you know, this sort of style. Someone who's a lot, you know, especially like myself, I wouldn't really be able to sort of pull this off, which is why I go for the shorter style. What I would say to people is, you know, if you are getting a style, go for one that you used to have and it was quite common for you, whereas this was pretty much Justin's hair before, so we've gone for that same sort of style. But otherwise, yeah, no, I think it's looking really good. We lowered the hairline a little bit, and it's got that really realistic look all the way. So yeah, you know, as always, thank you for watching, and there's loads more content coming soon.